Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Hyperlaps game is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about releases in a gaming world this year, promising an innovative blend of strategy, action, and immersive storytelling that has fans on the edge of their seats. Number 5. Popdarts Pro Pack Game Set. Tired of screens? Gather your friends and family for a game that sparks connection and friendly competition. It's time to get together and play. Inside this set, you'll find everything for an exciting game. It includes 6 colorful darts, a unique target marker, and a convenient carrying bag with rules. Take the fun with you, whether you're indoors or out. These darts stick to almost any smooth surface, so get creative with where you play. Scoring is easy and adds to the excitement. Get points for getting close, sticking your darts, and hitting the special target. The first to 21 wins. Experience the thrill of Popdarts and challenge your skills. It's more than just a game, it's a way to connect and create lasting memories. What we like. This game is perfect for bringing people together. Its unique suction cup design allows for play on almost any smooth surface, indoors or out. If you're looking for a versatile game that encourages creativity and friendly competition, you should consider this. What people say. Easy setup and quick to learn, the rules are simple enough for beginners but still enjoyable for older kids and adults. Safe and engaging, the soft darts are gentle on walls and furniture, and the game keeps everyone actively involved. The suction darts stick really well to smooth surfaces, making it perfect for playing on countertops, tables, or even glass. Number 4. Drone Home, the real flying drone game. Introducing Drone Home, the revolutionary game that brings a real, flying drone right into your living room. It's perfect for family fun, designed for 2 to 4 players aged 8 and up. Get ready to launch your alien into the drone. Use the included launchers to aim and fire, sending your character soaring towards its destination. This is the first game ever to feature a genuine, flying drone. Experience the thrill as it takes to the air, carrying your alien along for the ride. Compete against other players in an exciting head-to-head battle. Strategically launch your alien to claim your spot inside the drone before your opponents do. Your mission is to get your alien into the drone. If your alien is inside when it takes off, you'll be one step closer to victory. Gather the whole family for an unforgettable experience. This fast-paced game guarantees laughter and excitement for everyone involved. What we like. Experience a game like no other with its actual flying drone. Players launch aliens to secure a spot inside before it takes off. If you want a truly unique and exciting family game that offers a thrilling, high-tech experience, this is the one. What people say. The drone charges a lot faster with an external wall charger and lasts about 19 to 23 flies before requiring a 20-minute wall charge. The base for the drone requires 4 AAA batteries, we just use rechargeable so it lasts many hours and then some. The drone requires charging, comes with a USB charging cable that gives a full charge within 30 minutes. Once charged, the family of kids and adults were able to play up to 30-minute plus before the next charging of the drone. The newer Amazon version was different. First, it came with an extra propeller to address what appears to be a recurring issue. Despite not catching the drone a few times, the propeller on this second version has not broken yet, fingers crossed. Next, there are also 4 characters per player instead of 3. I much prefer 4 players, because it extends the game. Number 3. Bounce Battlewood Edition. Introducing Bounce Battlewood Edition, a fast-paced game of skill and strategy. It's perfect for family game nights, offering quick rounds that test everyone's abilities. This game is designed for all ages, making it one of the best family games available. Enjoy it during short play sessions or for longer, more engaging board game nights. It masterfully blends classic board game elements with exciting bouncing ball action. Compete in skill-based challenges for endless fun and replayability. Featuring a beautifully handcrafted wooden cube and 27 high-quality balls, this game is built to last. Its durable materials and stylish design will be a great addition to your collection. Its compact size makes it incredibly portable, perfect for taking to parties, dorms, or on trips. It's a top choice for kids, teens, and adults seeking fun on the go. Discover dozens of exciting game modes, including 3D tic-tac-toe and HRC. You can even create your own challenges for even more entertainment with family and friends. What we like. This game offers a premium wooden design with a focus on skill and strategy. It comes with numerous ways to play, ensuring endless replayability. If you appreciate a well-crafted game with a classic feel and enjoy a blend of chance and strategy, this is a great choice. What people say. Inclusive game for wide age range. It's a nice, sturdy design. This is an easy game to learn. My 4 grandkids, ages 5 to 10 played and it is well worth the hysterical laughter it created. Number 2. Swooc Games XL Giant 4 in a row. Get ready for massive fun with this giant 4-in-row game. It's incredibly easy to set up and take down, collapsing to half its size for storage and travel. Don't let a little water stop the fun. This game is varnished and sealed to handle splashes, humidity, and heat, making it perfect for any location. Tired of noisy games? Ours is designed to be over 60% quieter than others, so you can enjoy the fun without the loud distractions. Bring the excitement wherever you go. It comes with a handy carrying case, perfect for BBQs, tailgating, camping, or any outdoor adventure. Feel good about your purchase. It's handcrafted from sustainably sourced wood, and we plant a tree for every order to help protect our planet. This jumbo lawn activity is designed for endless outdoor fun. It's the perfect way to entertain the whole family and create lasting memories. What we like. This is an impressively large version of a classic game, perfect for making a statement at any gathering. It's built to withstand various weather conditions and features a design that's significantly quieter than others. If you're looking for a show-stopping, durable outdoor game that's great for parties and family events, this is ideal. What people say. The game is incredibly fun and engaging, with a unique gameplay loop that keeps you coming back for more. The graphics are stunning and the art style is very distinctive, creating a memorable visual experience. The controls are tight and responsive, allowing for precise movements and actions that are crucial for success in a game. Number 1. Swooc Games Rustic Ring Toss Game. Get ready for a world of fun with over 15 games included. From classic ring toss to exclusive Swooc originals, there's something for every age and skill level. You'll never run out of ways to play. Don't let the weather stop the fun. This game is built to withstand spills and splashes, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor play. Take it to the game room, patio, or even the beach. Experience effortless throws with our specially designed rings. The wide wooden grips and extra firm rope ensure a smooth glide, helping you achieve that perfect aim and a bigger smile. Forget complicated assembly. This game features a quick and easy kid-friendly setup, so you can start playing in seconds. Plus, it comes with a handy carrying case for fun on the go. Feel good about your purchase. This game is handcrafted from sustainably sourced wood, and for every order, a tree is planted. Let's play together and protect our planet. What we like. This offers incredible value with over 15 different games included, ensuring you'll never get bored. It's designed to be weather-resistant and incredibly easy to set up. If you want a versatile, portable game set that provides a wide variety of fun for all ages and skill levels, this is the perfect option. What people say. Great quality. Beautifully crafted wood and rope. Nice and sturdy storage and transport bag. Easy to assemble. Clear instructions. This ring toss game is high quality. We set it up behind our RV while camping. It came with a great carry case and quick setup. Fun game. Easy setup. One of our favorite outdoor games. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.